everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As I said on Friday, finished everything in here except for the final thing. I don't think I showed you the fire alarm that was done on Friday, but everything else is finished. Everything else was finished on Friday except for this. There was a blank and the switch was over here. We switched the switch from the right side to the left side. I'll show you a picture of what this looked like before. Basically had to nipple the boxes together with a little piece of MC, 2 screw connectors, lock nuts, all that good stuff. But basically what we ended up doing was this, I don't even know what you call this GFCI switch is for that receptacle right there for the refrigerator. But what we did was the home run box is right here, circuit 1, 3, 5. It's also tied to a second box, 1, 3, and 5. There's odd boxes. There's odd boxes here, and then there's evens over here. So the evens are over there, like I said, and that is for here. This switch is number 10. So the evens are on the right box, the odds are on the left box. So this is one pipe going down here. This was the old number 10, and then this over here we added this together. So what we did was we had a chase way from number 10 all the way down to here, and then we pulled 2 new wires, the line and the load for this guy. So basically didn't touch anything in this box, and everything, we just pulled new wire down to here. So we took the wire that was in here for number 5, which goes straight down here. It's piped down to here. So we took those wires. There's just so many noises. So what we did was, there's gonna be another one. So what we did was we pulled wire from here, number 5, and we added conduit between the odd boxes and the even boxes. So we pulled the wire from here through the even boxes back down to here, and that's how we made that work. So number 5 is over here. We sent number 5 through the even box back down the wall, and then we separated number 5 from the home run on the right side, and the I guess you would call that like the switch leg or the load. So it was basically tied together in here. The home run for number 5 comes into this box, and then they sent it down to here. So we just separated number 5 and sent the line and the load both down into here to interrupt it. So number 5 is pulled down to here with an incoming wire and an outgoing wire, and then that ties back up through the even box, back to the odd box, and then back down to here. So it's kind of a lot if you don't understand how this is working. I'm trying to explain it, but it's just a lot to understand if you're not very familiar with line and load and how all that stuff works. But so yeah, we just disconnected the power here, sent it through, sent it back up, and then back all the way down through. So it's a lot to comprehend, but try to make that as easy as possible to understand, which I probably butchered. So one last time, incoming power, sent it out, back down to the wall right here, sent the load back up through the same box, and then tied that together with the load back down to there. So just a lot to comprehend, but anyways, I probably explained that like 5 times, but hopefully you understood that. Got that all done, cut that back in, switched that over, and we took the number 10 circuit and with the MC in between, sent the 2 reds over, the ground over, and a neutral over. So got 4 wires in this box, 2 reds on the switch, power switch leg, ground, and then neutral capped off in this box. So yeah, that's what that all looks like. So yeah, that was the final thing for this room. Everything else is done now. Everything is labeled, everything is complete. Got this wire tucked up a little bit right here, so that is less droopy right there. So that all turned out really nicely. Everything is working now, also labeled. Over here we have a spare that's kind of butchered over here, but we got there was 2 wires on the original receptacle, like 2 separate circuits on one plug, which I don't know if I've ever seen before, but just ditched one of those wires in the back of the box and then put number 1 on both of those. So that's how that ended up. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up. Did a few other things at the end of the day, some assembly and stuff like that my foreman wanted me to do. Project Comfort. Anyways, got that finished as well. But that's gonna wrap it up. Finished in here. So everything is all good now. And yeah, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next one. God bless. Peace.